Miraculous video templates that enable you to create your videos with a personal touch in less than 10 minutes. You can easily create videos with personal touches for social media ads and offers, blogs, Shopify offers, product launch promos, local businesses, online coaching, personal branding, portfolio presentations, landing pages, YouTube channels, e-commerce supports, offline presentation, crowdfunding, Attractor, and many more. The sky is your only limit. How will a high-quality design boost your business? 80% of marketing gurus believe that visual assets, photos, video, illustrations, etc. are essential when it comes to promotional actions. A high-quality video is one of the most powerful tools to boost your business conversions. Moreover, when you add personal touches to your videos, you will likely be able to develop trust from your customers. A super video with personal touches will definitely boost your sales and induce conversions, way better than a random video that uses the same person again and again. 85% of marketers understand the use of personal stories behind products, as video ads will attract more customers and drive them to make purchases. People are eagerly buying products with an impact, with inspiring stories, with great ideas and lots of love behind the production. It is important, especially for a startup, to tell stories via an eye-catching video. Telling stories behind every product you offer empowers your brand, sets your market segments, and ties your customers emotionally, which drives them to purchase your product and therefore increases your sales conversions. 90% of marketing strategy experts say that being a brand ambassador of your own products will help people remember your products. People tend to make associations. When you become the brand ambassador of your own product, people will associate your product with you. This association will help you sell your product because once the customers trust you, they will likely also trust your products. And if they trust your products, they will be your loyal customers. Plus, being a brand ambassador of your own product will cut your costs for hiring models, celebrities, or public figures that sometimes don't really care about your product as much as you do. Frequently asked questions and answers. What is Magic Video Templates 3.0? Magic Video Templates 3.0 is a huge collection of PowerPoint, animated social media company video templates plus huge video assets. It's not a software, plugin or WordPress theme. How do I edit it, and how's about compatibility? You need to use PowerPoint to edit the templates. Simply open your PowerPoint software, click and replace with your own content. Unfortunately, regarding the compatibility, Magic Video Templates 3.0 won't work with Keynote. This is just work with PowerPoint. Magic Video Templates work best with PowerPoint 2013. If you're using Office 2007 or 2010, it still works. Open, but some effect and layout will not working perfectly. How do I download it? After payment done, you'll be redirected to member area. We'll also instantly send you email registration right after your purchase. What is my license? Yes, unlimited web projects. Yes, unlimited video projects. Yes, unlimited domains you own. No resell in any way. What is your refund policy? You should pay attention to our requirements. We do the refund if there is an issue with the product and our technical support can't solve it for you. We will provide a refund for you within 30 days of your purchase. Product usage post-refund. By receiving a refund, you agree to remove all files downloaded from our website, and all rights to use the product will be revoked. We reserve the right to decline a refund if the client does not adhere to these conditions. Refund process. Send your query to support. Do not dispute via PayPal. All refund is processing by Jiu. Refund policy. Our refund policy only applies to the first time you purchase our product. Second-time purchases will not be permitted the same rights to refund. We understand that sometimes the timing may not be right when you purchase our product, and you may return to purchase later, but please be aware second purchase refund requests will not be permitted. This is to protect our product and ourselves from individuals who may take advantage of our refund policy. Duplicate purchase. In the event of a billing error, duplicate billing, We will investigate the matter and issue a full refund if deemed necessary.